Good evening, everyone. My name is OGUNDEIN. I'm a student in Lagos State University, LASU. I'm studying mathematics education. So right about now, I will be taking you through some topic in mathematics, which is change of subject of a formula. So I'll be explaining how you can actually make any variable the subject of the formula. So I want you to pay attention as I take you through this question. So question 1 is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals to 1. So x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals to 1. So the denominator here is a squared and b squared. So we multiply it together, so giving us a squared b squared. So you will now use this denominator to multiply all two. Mean by to multiply both sides. So this is what you are going to say: a squared b squared times x squared over a squared plus, you are going to use this denominator to multiply this place also: a squared b squared times y squared over b squared equals to, you will now use it to multiply this number 1 multiplied by a squared b squared. So take note here, a squared is going to cancel out. So a squared cancel a squared, we have what? B squared times s squared. So just write it out, b squared s squared. Then plus, so if you look at this place very well, b squared will cancel b squared. So what are you left with? We are left with what? A squared and y squared. So you have what? A squared, y squared. So 1 multiplied by this variable, what do you have? You have a squared and b squared. So we are going to make a the subject of the formula here. A the subject of the formula, that is, a is going to stand alone. So how do we go about it? We now collect like terms. We bring the term that is having a, we bring them together. So we take b squared, we let b squared and s squared to stand alone, while we take these two, we bring them together. So we have a squared, b squared s squared equals to a squared b squared minus a squared y squared. I brought this one to the other side. So I have what? B squared s squared. So if you look at this right hand side very well, you see that a is common to both sides, and what I need is just 1a. So how do I go about it? I will just say factorize. I'm going to factorize 1a out. So by saying a open bracket, a cancel a. So what do I have? No, I'm going to factorize a squared. A squared. So a squared cancel a squared, I have what? B squared minus a squared cancel a squared, I have what? Y squared. So now what is disturbing my e? B squared minus y squared. So what did I do? I will say divide both sides by the coefficient of a squared, which is what? B squared minus y squared. So b squared s squared over b squared minus y squared equals to what? A squared. So what I want to get is a, but what I'm having here is a square. So what do? I will say square root both sides to eliminate this square. So I will square root both sides. So b square s square over b square minus y square. Square root cancel square, so I have what? A left. So my a, I'm trying to make a the subject of the formula. So my right answer is now what? Square root b square s square over b square minus y square. So that is the answer for question 1. So right now we'll be looking at question 2. So we want to make s the subject of the formula in question 2. So how do we go about it? So let's start. We have a over y minus b over s equals to k. So the question is just like question, we have a over y minus b over s equals to k. So the denominator are what? Y and x. So if I want to look for the SCM, I will just multiply each together. So I have what? X, y. So what am I going to use this sy to do? I'm going to use it to multiply all two. So I'm going to say xy multiplied by a over y minus xy multiplied by b over x equals to xy multiplied by k. So y will cancel out. I have x times a giving me what? Ax. Then minus s cancel out. Y times b giving me what? By equals to xy times k will give me what? X, y, k. So don't forget, I want to make x the subject of the formula, and I am having two terms that is having x. So what do? I bring them together. That is collecting like times. So this one is having s, this one too is having s. So I say ax. So if I have to bring this one to this side, the positive sign will change to negative sign, giving me x minus syk equals to, I will now take this to the right hand side, minus by to the right hand side is what? By. So I'm having 2x, but what I need is 1x. So what do I do? I factorize out 1x.